He's struggling.
What are all these fuckers here?
2 hours later.
I don't know. When I'm weighing them, you can get the ear tags in, the hogs. This has not been done yet. Bud. They're all tagged and on the drive, ready for shearing tomorrow. There's Peg. She's mine. Pudding! Bud! This is Pudding. He's got a bit of blood because that was a second go with that. Ripped it out. William's throw tanking. Letting the milk cows on now. I'm going to go and fetch them, the rest that are down at the fields. There'll probably be plenty of them waiting. Yep. So just getting the tractor out ready to go and fetch the cows. So when we've just fetched the hogs down and air tagged them, the dry cows were in this field, which they've eaten that right down. So the sheep were over there, and we've now let the dry cows into there, so they're all happy because they're eating lots of grass now.
Ruby's on big jobs behind me. We've got sheep in, ready for the morning. Hopefully it holds off raining, and hopefully all goes to plan. Knowing us, no. But we'll see you in the morning, see what it looks like. So good morning everyone. Rain's holding off so far this morning. I've heard that my sheep shear was supposed to be coming at about 11, it's 10 now. What I'm going to do is, ignore drinks there just in case anyone gets thirsty, but we're going to heptavac the lambs. We're going to get them down in my pen behind that gate and then heptavac them just whilst we wait for the sheep shearer to come. He's not far, I can literally see his farm from here. It's only over Laff Kildale on the other side. So yeah, we'll get these in and get heptavacking. Bit of a black cloud over there, but they're going inside anyway for jabbing the lambs, so at least they'll be in. Two more.
Come on, Terry.
So they've all been heptavac now and we're just waiting. They'll stop in here till the sheep shearer comes, and then it's one less job now, having heptavac them and shear them, so it's a good job. Easy it. So it's the next day now after shearing, and it was a bit of a rush yesterday, so I didn't film when we'd done or anything because it just started raining. Typically it starts raining just as we'd finished, but better off that than halfway through. We did spit and spot a bit, that's why we had his coats on, and Ruby wraps the wool whilst I keep ferrying the sheep, pushing them through and getting them in his trailer. So I didn't film Ruby wrapping much wool because she was just paranoid of being judged on how she's doing it, and I didn't want to film shearing too much. Like a fast forward that time lapse was main reason for that, is because I didn't want anyone to judge how my man shears his sheep, so shears my sheep. So it's just, I don't know if, you know, it's the end of the day, it's him, not me doing it. So what we're going to do today, because it's just gone 6 o'clock, I've been out on Bottle Fed, I'm coming round, I've had my breakfast and I've just coming round to the parlour where William's already started and will be 3/4 of the way through, so I'll go in there and help him. And today we're going to take the sheep wool because since it was raining and it started chucking it down, we wrapped the wool up, put it in the bag, sewed the bags up with the tickets that you have to put with it, and then we loaded it straight in cattle trailer, so it's in out it rain. So we'll just take that straight away this morning, so you'll have to come with us. And I apologise for the bad hair day. So here we are, this is a mint trailer, and we've just got to put his tickets on. You put a ticket on here with your address and everything on each one. So we'll get these tied on and then we can go.
Where we're going.
Be a bugger if you meet traffic on here, because I don't know who'll be backing up. Off we go, heading back.